The wee blue pied. It's a cracking wee pigeons, lovely feathering, lovely feathering. This wee bird's feathering is absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful, silky, silky feathers. Oh, what? Look at this shit, honestly. I sliding it in my hand. That's a cracking wee pigeon. I love this wee pigeon. It's got what I like in a pigeon, the tight, tight vent bones. Tight vent bones. It's a cracking wee pigeon, wee checker. You're a cracking wee hen. Cracking wee hen. Da-dee-da-da. I know. 34. Wee blue. Oh, it doesn't like getting handled. I think that's what Stuart says to me. He doesn't really handle his birds a lot, but you know, I tell you what, his results are phenomenal. Stuart Gilchrist for Granton. Hey, I know, son. What's your number? 10, 4, 4, 4. Cracking me one here, folk. Oh. Smashing wee youngster that. See that? Oh, that's another one. What? Oh, these pigeons are lovely. These pigeons are lovely. And again, this wee pigeon's got what I like. Tight vent bones. Don't check her in. She's a cracker too. She's a beauty. Look at her. She's got a wee stamp on her. I can see it in her. I can see it in her. She's a wee cracker. there's a wee blue coke. He's a wee cracker. Look at me, he's a wee cracker, eh? Look at me. Aye. It's a cracker, he's not too bad in the hand. Checker pied. Apparently this is a well-bred Jungian tailpie, one of these good cokes. It's multiple fed ones. Multiple club ones. Oh, see what I mean? Sliding in my hand, I think it's a wee hen. Nearly had an escapee there. Oh, there's another cracking young'un. What? Another cracking young'un. I see these pigeons are in superb condition. These pigeons are in superb condition. Honestly, I've never fought with one yet. I've never fought with one yet. He's in superb, this pigeon's silky feathers. Oh, she handles lovely. She's a cracker too. Let me check her hen, Oh, slide it in my hand. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a cracker too. This one's got, again, the tight vent bones. Tight vent bones. Oh. Look at him, he's a wee cracker, eh? He's a wee cock. You can tell he's a wee cock. Look at a wee snipey beak. Look at him, see how he sits. Whoa. Come on. He's a cracker. I love it. Superb. See, there's another pigeon sits down low, do you see that? Nothing wrong with it like this, it's a wee checker hen, it's a wee cracker hen. Feathering superb on these pigeons, I'm not joking you. I'm not joking you. Again, this pigeon again's got the tight vent bones. Checker hen, cracker. Checker. He's a coke, definitely. He's definitely a coke. Oh, he's strong, he's strong, he's strong. I know, son. Oh, there's another brownie pigeon. What's your number? Cracker, he doesn't like getting handled. Let's go. Whoa. This fella, he's only a young bird, look at him. Look at that, he's 3, he's 4 up, he's only got 5 to go. It's because he's had them on the darkness system. So that's why. He's a wee cracker. I think that's a wee hen. It could be a wee cock, but that could be a wee cock. Another good youngie, look at him. I think it's a wee cock again. I mean, crikeys. I think that's a wee cock. I think it is, Again, look at that. He's got 6 to go. See, had them on the darkness. They've not even been raced yet. They've not even been raced yet. Just been flying round about their loft, that's all they've been doing. Another one with the tight vent bones. And you go there. Look at that, look at my hands covered in powder. Checker. That's a wee hen. That's a wee hen. Isn't she lovely? She's a cracker in the hand, she really is. She's full bodied and honestly she's full feathered. She's got lovely tight vent bones. I love her. See these pigeons? What? I've just been giving them for nothing. I've got them all for nothing. I mean, they're absolutely superb. 10, 26, oh, see what I mean? A slider in my hand. Slider in my hand. 10, 26. Hey. Oh, I mean, cracker, man. Okay, give me. Must be claustrophobic in there. What's it now? That's a different pigeon altogether, that's wee pigeon, for the ones I've been having because he's got a different body on him. I can feel it straight away. He's a deep keeled pigeon, this dude. Oh. Still lovely, he's in great condition, I mean honestly, God. It's a shame the man, he's having to move house and he can't keep his birds, that's what's wrong. So, it's a shame like. But aye, so, I'll race him. There we go, he's a cracker, isn't he? He's a blue coke. Look at him. Aye, he's a beauty. Good number, sir. Good number. 1030, blue coke. There you are. There you are, son. Another lovely pigeon, another lovely pigeon. Oh, the feathers is just superb on these birds, they really are. They really are. Look at him, look at him, yeah, look at him. The wee cracker, isn't he? He's soft, silky, silky feathers. I mean, see the down feathers under there, it's just like touching them on the top of him, honestly. Superb, superb. 1040, blue pork. Oh, whoa. 1040, that's a cracker. There you go. Oof. Right. There we go. Aye, who's been making all the noise? You. Another cracker, eh? Oh, look at that, eh? That wee hen. Ah, that wee hen. Wee hen. Ah, I think there's a wee hen. She's handling superb. Honestly, this pigeon, what? Tell you man, see these pigeons, they're ready for racing. They're ready for racing, no, tell you what. But they've not been raced yet. They've never been in, they've not even been in a basket. They've never been basket trained. They've never been doing the road. As I say, the man's just gave me, I've got these pigeons this morning. Eh, for nothing. You know. There you go, there's another pigeon, superb, honestly, his vent bones are like that, honestly. See what I mean? There's a man breeding pigeons with vent bones like that. Oh, jeez, another filly. Another filly. Superb, superb. 6 flights to go. They're going to check themselves now though, because they'll not be on the darkness system here. So, oh, look at that, he's a wee cock. Look at that, he's a wee cock. He's a wee beauty. That's what he is, a wee beauty. Oh, it's another cracker. Honestly, man. Honestly. Superb. Right. Now, we're on the ground. Another pigeon, superb. Honestly, man. Look at that, it's a wee cracker, eh? It's a wee checker hen. But she's in superb condition. I keep saying that about them all, don't I? That's because they are. That's because they are. Honestly, I hardly know the guy too. I only met him this morning for the first time. Stuart Gilchrist by Granton. What a shame. He's had to part with his young birds because he's having to move house. But what a sin, eh? And I've just been giving them off for nothing. She's a cracker, this wee hen. She handles superb. That's You know what? This was the pigeon he was telling me about in his garden when he was talking to me. 10, 13. And no wonder I'm talking about her the way she's handling superb. This was the pigeon he was talking about, 10, 13. This is off his second open combine winner or something. Honestly, it's a cracker. The fella's a dart checker. Honestly. Isn't she a cracker, eh? She is a beauty. 10, 13. Wow. 10, 13. Honestly, it's a superb wee hen. I think this is a youngster he was saying it's a dart checker that's off his second open, second combine winner on Saturday just there. Well, this is the 8th, aye, so it was Saturday 8th, this is the 8th of June, so it was about the beginning of last week, just the weekend there. Her father, second open club, second club, second combine, aye, it's a wee cracker. 007, 1007. She's a cracker, this wee hen. Super. I will. Whoa. Wee grizzle. That wee grizzle. You know, Stuart's still got some of his old birds still there because he'll be moving his loft and moving his doos. But you know what he says to me? He says, you've got young birds there that I've no got. So, but there you go. I had to say to the guy, you know, if you want anything bred off of these birds and replace them, I'll do it. You know, I'll breed them back for you. Look at that, he's a cracker, eh? Is that a wee hen? See that wee hen? That could be a wee hen. She's a wee hen. She's number 1017. She's in good now, but she's not honest, she's not like the other ones. Wee blue white feet, they all fit like a wedge, you know, like a wedge. It's a wee hen, a wee blue white flight, it's a wee hen. Oh, a wee cracker, look at that. It's a wee hen. It's a wee hen. check, is that a wee cock? Yeah, that's a wee cock or a wee hen? I think it's a hen. Second one. Oh, go on. Another wee cracker. Oh, and that's a wee hen. That's a good wee cock, I'll tell you. They're hard to tell, young birds. There you go, aye. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. And handle's beautiful. Wee blue hen. What's your number? 1032. And one more to go. There we go. Superb, superb. Oh, it's a wee cock, I can see. I'm going to fly them on Woodyhood next year. Look at that, he's a wee cracker. Look at him, he's a cracker. He's a cracker. 1033, I'm going to remember his number. 33. And his bent bones are like that. All these pigeons' bent bones are like that, except for one. That's it. He's a cracker. He is an absolute cracker, that pigeon. Oh, son. There you go, a wee drink of water, a wee something to drink, a wee drop to eat. There you go. There you go. Aye. Let's go and have a wee look at them all, eh? Come on. There's some of them up there, look. They're young birds that I got put down. Except for that checker goes back to you. Well, let's go and see what's in here then, eh? Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. There we go. There we go. There we go. And what is, they've just been put, this is the first time in their lot in this cloth, and they're just finding their way about, that's all. I only got them literally 2 hours ago. So there you go, aye, yeah, there you go. Yeah. Stuart Gilchrist, Stuart Gilchrist, Faye Granton, these are all his young birds. Except for 15 of them, but aye, there you go. They're all there. They're all looking great, so anyway. Oh, but that, it's amazing, isn't it? I got them all for nothing. I got them all for nothing because the man's having to move house through no fault of his own, and he can't raise this year's young bird, so that's what they are. And I got them all for nothing. You know, I got them all for nothing. You know, and they handle beautiful. I'm just going to let them settle down here, let them find themselves into the loft. Look at that. So I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Cheery cheery.